Camping! Begin our walkthrough of our '07 Eagle by Jayco 32.5 foot fifth wheel holiday trailer. Come on inside. This amazing unit boasts the tallest ceilings in the market with 2 slides, configured originally for 10, now sleeps 8. The large fridge, microwave, full galley, and dual sink allow for a lot of cooking on the go. Full entertainment stand with flat screen, TV, DVD player, as well as lots of room for video games, DVDs, movies, and more. The Queen Master sits aloft the fifth wheel with plenty of storage, as well as a spot for a TV, cupboards, drawers, and more. It even boasts a locking cabinet and under the bed storage. The living room couch is a pull-out hideaway, as well as the dinette transforms into a bed with a fairly spacious bathroom and full-size shower. 2 bunks bring up the rear. 2 were removed to allow plenty of access and storage for things such as kayaks, bicycles, and other such valuables you don't want in the weather. With all the usual amenities on one side, including an outdoor shower, the slides give way to the big living room, dining room area, as well as the bump out from the master. Ready to go camping today, even with a barbecue, a table, a mat, and a lawn chair. Make us an offer. No reasonable offer refused.